जानी मानी अदाकारा के साथ हुआ ऐसा हादसा कि करना चाहती थी आत्महत्या। प्रोड्यूसर की इस हरकत से मशहूर बिग बॉस ओटीटी के इस खिलाड़ी ने चाहा अपनी जिंदगी खत्म करना। आइए आपको बताते हैं कौन है ये अदाकारा और क्या है पूरी खबर। बिग बॉस ओटीटी से लाइमलाइट में आई उर्फी जावेद अपने आउटफिट और ड्रेस की वजह से अक्सर चर्चा में रहती है। हाल ही में वो जुहू में एक जगह पर स्पॉट हुई थी। इस दौरान उन्होंने पेपराजी को तस्वीरें और वीडियोस दी और पोस्ट भी दिए। अब इस तस्वीर को लेकर जहां वो सोशल मीडिया पर ट्रोल हो रही हैं, वहीं उनको लेकर एक बड़ा खुलासा हुआ है। एक लीडिंग एंटरटेनमेंट पोर्टल के साथ बातचीत में उन्होंने इस बात का खुलासा किया कि प्रोड्यूसर की जबरदस्ती के कारण उन्हें सुसाइडल थॉट्स आने लगे थे। आखिर क्या था पूरा मामला, आपको बताते हैं इन डिटेल। In a recent interview with a leading entertainment portal, Urfi said that the producer had threatened to send her to jail when she refused to shoot the objectionable scenes. She claimed that the producer even asked for a compensation of 40 lakh rupees from her. Though her week-long stint on Big Boss OTT put her in the limelight, Urfi said that nothing much has changed for her in the industry. She said that she still faces rejections and also talked about being replaced overnight. She said that she started her career with ₹3,000 per day and shared room with 6 girls in a PG while struggling in the industry. She also said that her project would shut down and couldn't last long more than 3 months. Urfi had earlier talked about being living in a conservative family. She was told she has to wear traditional clothes, wasn't even allowed to wear jeans and asked to cover her chest with a dupatta. Coming out as a rebel, Urfi now wears whatever she wants to. But Urfi is facing hard time to get people's acceptance for her fashion choices. She further said that she wants to act as an inspiration to girls who are suppressed from a young age in the families. Talking about the same, she says, I want to be an inspiration for young girls out when they are told खाना बनाना सीख लो, शादी के बाद ससुराल में क्या होगा, आपको ऐसे रहना चाहिए वैसे रहना चाहिए. I want them to tell their parents that they saw the actress Urfi Javed. I want to live my life like her. Urfi is known for creating headlines for her airport looks, has worked in the shows like बड़े भैया की दुल्हनिया, मेरी दुर्गा and Bepana. However, just like Urfi, Zishan Khan also revealed his casting couch experience recently. He was asked to show his lower body as the producer demanded to. However, Zishan did not got carried away और उन्होंने इस पूरी situation को अच्छी तरह संभाल लिया. However, it's quite shocking. And what are your reactions to this? Do let us know in the comment section below. Also, अपने पसंदीदा कलाकारों और सितारों से जुड़ी हर जानकारी और अपडेट पाने के लिए बने रहें टेली चक्कर के साथ।
Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.